12 foot by 1/2 inch steel blade. Self-adhesive back. Can be cut to desired length. Package dimension: 17.78 cms x 11.43 cms W by 2.03 cms H. Komelon F12 12-foot stick and measure flat tape measure. About us. Since its establishment in 1963, Komelon pours passion into a field of measuring tape based on craftsmanship. Komelon F12 12-foot stick and measure flat tape measure. The stick and measure flat tape measure is a 12-foot by 1/2 inch steel tape measure blade that features a strong adhesive backing. It can be applied to any clean flat surface and will stay in place indefinitely. This tape can be cut to length and is perfect for multiple applications such as sewing tables, workbenches, as height gauging tape, on table saws, shipping tables or fishing boats. Top reviews from the United States. Great price, quality seems good. Excellent price seems accurate and durable. Will update if there's issues.